isang sagisang pambansang kalayaan na nasa sa larawan ng lahat ng akit-akit na tinatapila sa buhay ng Pilipino. Sinubog na matipunong kamay ng panahon. Binigyang buhay ng isang mapagmahal kalayaang mga mamamayan at inakay ng mapagpalang iwan sa luklukan ng mga bansa.
May the great architect of the universe continue to bless this lodge, strengthen our brotherhood, and guide every Mason who labors within its walls. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, my brethren. Mabuhay ang Masonarya.
Basta, reminder ko lang, happy lang. Pag hindi ka happy, baka mayroon kang ginawang masama. In the end, let us always remember, President General George Washington reminded us that the grand object of Freemasonry is happiness to mankind. Kaya, dapat happy lang po tayo.
We are with high hopes and great expectations that with the same support and commitment of each and every brethren of La Guardia Masonic Lodge number 378 and with the guidance and provisions of the great architect of the universe, we could again safely navigate all the trials and challenges we may face ahead. That peace, harmony, and good fellowship will always prevail among us. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay tayong lahat. And to God be the glory always.